Top cleaning hacks you never knew you needed. Hi, I'm Miara from Cura Maids of Raleigh, where we make your home shine so you can focus on what matters most. Today, I'm sharing top cleaning hacks you didn't know you needed. Whether you're deep cleaning, moving out, or just keeping your home sparkling, these tips are for you. First up, stubborn grease and grime. Mix vinegar and baking soda into a paste, apply it to your stovetop, let it sit for 15 minutes, and wipe clean. It's natural, cost-effective, and leaves a professional-level shine. For a natural, chemical-free solution to mold and mildew, mix hydrogen peroxide and water. Simply spray it onto your bathroom tiles, let it work its magic, and watch as it effortlessly breaks down grime, leaving your tiles fresh, spotless, and free of harsh chemicals. Go green with microfiber cloths. They're reusable, eco-friendly, and great for picking up dust. For floors, mix hot water, a splash of vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. It's safe for pets and kids. Stains on your sofa? Mix dish soap with warm water, gently blot the stain, and let it air dry. It's perfect for quick touch-ups. To clean your oven, sprinkle baking soda, spray with water, and let it sit overnight. Scrub and wipe the next morning for a spotless result. For windows that shine, mix water, vinegar, and a touch of dish soap. Use a squeegee for a streak-free finish every time. Cleaning doesn't have to be stressful. Try these hacks, or let Cura Maids handle it for you. Book a deep clean, move out clean, or recurring service today. Visit our website or call us now.